A free way to get rid of woodchucks. Woodchucks, also commonly known as groundhogs, can be damaging pests to your garden and landscape when they create their burrows or feed on your plants. These creatures are solitary, which can make it easier to deter them, although once they've settled on a location they are persistent about staying there. Using scare tactics or live traps can both be free methods of removing or deterring woodchucks from your property. Many animal control offices, wildlife rehabilitators or state departments of natural resources allow homeowners to borrow live traps for nuisance animals. Building a portable scarecrow. Build the scarecrow out of household items such as scrap lumber and old clothes. You can also use PVC pipe if you have some. Screw the lumber or pipes together to make a cross. Place old clothes on the cross shape. An old shirt and a hat will suffice. You can also place shiny mylar strips, wind chimes or other items on the scarecrow that will blow in the wind and create a more startling effect. Stake the scarecrow in your yard or tie it to a tree or post near your garden or where the woodchucks are damaging your property. Don't attach it to anything permanently. Move the scarecrow once a week or more frequently. The groundhog will become used to it if it stays in one place. Live traps and animal control. Contact your local animal control office and speak to a representative. Ask if they have a live trap borrowing program and tell them about your problem with a nuisance woodchuck. They may tell you of the legality of trapping and removing woodchucks. If it is legal and they have a borrowing program, make the appointment to receive the trap. If they don't, ask if they know of anyone who does. It is likely there are local organizations they know of that will have this program. You also will have to ask about where you can legally release the woodchuck. Watch the woodchuck around dusk to see where they return to for the night. Woodchucks are active during the day, and return to their primary burrows at dusk. Bait the live trap with fruits and vegetables. Apple slices, carrots and similar items work well for trapping woodchucks. Place the trap near the burrow's entrance at night after the woodchuck has settled in for the night. Point the open end toward the burrow. When the woodchuck rises in the morning and is ready to forage, the free meal in the cage should lure it in. Check the trap in the morning. It is inhumane to leave a trapped animal in a cage for too long. If there is a woodchuck inside, cover the trap with a blanket or towel to reduce the trauma. An animal is typically less frightened when it cannot see what's going on. Take the trap to a place where it is legal to release the animal or follow any releasing instructions the animal control representative gave you.